So first of all, let's start off with a definition of what a PDF is. And kind of as a side note here, if you wanted to ever look up what a word means, or in this case, an acronym, you can use Spotlight as I'm doing. I can type in PDF over here, and what Spotlight is doing is it's searching my computer for all occurrences of PDF, but in this case, I'm going to have it look up PDF in the dictionary, and you don't have to actually click on it, you can hover over it, and as you can see, it gives you a definition. It says it's a file format that provides an electronic image or text or text and graphics. It looks like a printed version, basically. So its origin comes from portable document format. Anyhow, in my eyes, what a PDF is a document that you can create out of anything that you've already created, and you can use a PDF instead of the original so that others can open it. So in other words, I've created a document here in Microsoft Word. If I want to give that to others, the other people, assuming they're students or maybe colleagues, have to have Microsoft Word in order to open this. And it's not the best way to put things, presumably on your website. So, what I do is I like to make my assignments in a word processor, whether that's Microsoft Word or Max Pages. And if I'm going to distribute those to students and just for them to be able to view, I should convert that to a PDF. And you can use, this technique for word process files. You can use it for Excel spreadsheets. You can use it for basically anything. And it's built right into the operating system. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to install anything. All you have to remember is if you want to distribute a file to others and use your website as a tool to distribute them, you should convert them to PDF. It's a great technique, great idea, and anyhow, here's how you do it. So this is my word process file. I'm in Microsoft Word, and what I should do is go to my File menu and go down to Print. And it's kind of embedded in this Print dialog box. When you bring up the dialog box, okay, as you look around, towards the bottom right down here, it says PDF. And if you hit the drop down, you have choices. You can even mail this to a colleague if it was between two people, or what I like to do is I use Save as PDF. And then, where you put it is up to you. Maybe in a future lesson we can teach you how to use Dropbox. Right? That's my best technique. That's what I use most often for storing school documents. And anyhow, I'm just going to drop it at the root level of Dropbox for now to demonstrate this. I'll leave the name the same, assuming this is an assignment for my video editing kids. And you can put title information in the bottom if you want to fill those out. It assigns them by default. And really, all you do is hit save. And it's that easy. So now the PDF has been created, and it's in my case, in my Dropbox. And there it is. If I double click on this, you'll notice it has the extension .pdf. It'll open up on the Mac with a program called Preview, and really you can distribute this to anybody on any computer, any platform, and they'll be able to view it. And it's not for editing, it's for just simple viewing. So in my case, what I would typically do is go to my Weebly webpage, and then for my student assignment, whether it was a chapter review or something like that you wanted to post, you wanted kids to see, this is a great technique. So that is how you create a PDF using any Mac application without any further downloads. It's just a little menu command that's kind of tucked away. So enjoy and make yourself some PDFs.